everyone, I'm Rahul. Welcome to my presentation on data visualization. Okay. So how many of you know what is data visualization? Okay, see a few hands. Okay, cool. So for those who don't know, data visualization means visualization of data. Seems very simple. But what is data? Okay. So let's take something. Data is anything. Okay. Could be anything that can be converted into information. Okay. So data is anything that can be converted into information. So if you are telling me something, okay, the sun is bright, that could be a data. What I understand from it is called as information. So this is something I learned in my school long time ago. When you process data, okay, so if you process data, it's called as information. So now that we know what is data, now what can be the types of data? Data can be in form of, like we are speaking right now. So data can be verbal, okay, it can be basically what? Sound or audio, whatever you want to call it as. It can be video, okay. You can show me actions. If you show me like this, that also is data because trying to tell me something, okay. So now if I process your stop sign, that means that is information. You are informing me to stop. Okay. By the way, I'm making all this on the spot. Okay. So now. So the type we are going to focus on this tabular data, no? We are focusing tabular data, no? So the type we are going to focus on here is tabular data. Okay. So what is tabular data? I'm assuming all of you know what is a table. So table is anything that is in form of rows, okay, rows and columns. Okay. So each of this is a row. Each of you guys are a column. Okay. So now we'll have, let's say, name as one column, age as another column. So let's say Tahir, okay, and age is 20. So if you see, Tahir 20 is a row of this table, name, age are two columns of this table. So right now, how many rows are there? Technically, you could say there are two rows, but let's say this is considered as a header, okay? So we'll exclude that. So we have one item or one observation of this table. So now that we cleared what everything is about data, if anybody has any doubts, we can stop. I can clear it out, or if no one has any doubts, we can proceed. Okay, cool, no doubts. I know, I'm an amazing teacher. Anyways, so that's purely data visualization. So now, sometimes it's hard to understand how to identify, okay, 20. It's easier for me to show signs than show you a number to convey a message. Let's say I'm saying Rahul is 5'11", Tahir is 6 feet. Let's say. Better than that, it will be easier to understand if we both stand next to each other. So we humans understand better when we visualize data and see it. So that is the context for this workshop. And now I will be explaining how we can do data visualization in Python. Welcome to my workshop. And then you start. Got it?